It's time to talk about the most important thing on Weezly, and that is to generate automated AI sales videos on massive scale. So basically tens of thousands of videos, all unique, all adapted to each individual lead and prospect, tailor-made for them, and done in just few minutes. So let's get started. All right. Now, once we jump into Weezly in automated videos, we go to unlimited automated videos. But before I start there, what you will see here are these different icons with a small speaker, and that is indicating that this is actually a campaign, a previously campaign that we have done, and it can show you the number of videos we have generated and the name of the campaign. So let's dive in and create one of these campaigns. Now, what we can do here is name the campaign. So basically we can name this to anything we want. And how I usually do is name this campaign to the leads that I'm targeting. So for example, if I'm targeting someone in sales in southern Sweden, example, CTO, whatever, I can just name this and hit next. Then we come to this option that you have previously seen, and that is that we can select the video message that we want to send. Now, quick note. What you need to do here is it's very important to segment the leads that you want to send this to. For example, if you want to target people in sales in southern Sweden in certain industry, make sure to mention something as hey, I see that you're working in sales, you are based in southern Sweden, you're in this industry. That way the whole message becomes even more personalized, and that is the whole point of these messages, because you really need to be personalized as much as possible in order to get the attention of the lead. Now, we have three different options here. We have record AI voice cloning. What we can do here is basically record voice cloning, and how it works here, you can say, hi, strawberry, and what it will do is replace this word strawberry with the lead's name. So this works in with Weezly. And for now, to be very honest, the best part with best language is English so far, but this is improving all the time. So we have that option. Otherwise, you can record one of the messages as I have done, and then you can upload the message. So what I did here, I create a different message that I want to send out. And here I took the message which I talked about sales. So I select that video message, and here I'm getting the option to actually either I can import the leads or I can type 1-to-1. So I can type the first name, email, and the website of the lead. And what is very important for Weezly to generate these videos is to have the first name, the email, and the website, because we will be using the website to generate each tailor-made video for each lead. So actually it will look like you're on their website, and we will use email to actually, when you're sending these emails, to connect them with different lead gen tools. So instead of me writing one-on-one, what I can do is import a list of leads. Here I'm going to import just a few leads, and what I need to do is combine, map my CSV file into Weezly columns. So in the CSV file, I have a column named first name, I have a column which is email, and then I have one which is called website. So I can just quickly simply import them, or I can import tens of thousands of these. And what I can do here, I can say, for example, I want every single website to auto scroll this. I can set the personal title. So for example, I can say hi first name, and it's going to use the first name in this title here. And then I can change also the captions, talk, for example, and then first name, and then it's going to say talk, the first name of the lead here. And what I can do as well is I can then click on booking page, and then this will add a booking page next to each video that is being generated, and just simply click create automated videos. And Weezly will start now to generate these automated videos. It will say how many it is here. And what you will see here as well, you will see how many people has watched your video. You will be able to share your campaigns, and we will talk about this very soon. So what Weezly is doing now, we can generate up to 50 videos at once, and then it will start 50 another ones. So in just a few seconds, you will see an icon here, which is a green mark. That means that the video has been generated. So let's take a second and see when that is being done. Now, in this case, I took auto scrolling, and that is taking a little bit longer time to generate because it needs to actually fake the whole auto scrolling on the website. So let me just quickly, there we go. Now the first video has been generated, and there it is. So what it did, it said, hi Mensur, pick my name, talk Mensur. It implemented auto scrolling, there we go. And it added a booking page. And now it has done this well for the second video as well, for another lead, and there it is. It took lead's name, talk pair, and it took the auto scrolling as well. So I can click play, and there we go. And it added this booking page as well. So that is how quickly you can generate tens of thousands of unique sales videos, which you can then send to your potential leads. And then you can preview these videos, and you have different options to see if someone has seen each video. So you can just click on each video and you have multiple options, or you can as well download these videos. And what you can do then is you can export this, delete the campaign, and I will talk a little bit sooner actually how you can send these videos to your potential leads through email. And that is by far one of the most common questions we are getting. Okay, I generated the videos, how do I send them? But that will come in the next one. So now you learn how to create automated AI sales videos. That is absolutely by far the most powerful feature on Weezly, which you can then send to tens of thousands of potential clients through email and LinkedIn. All right, see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.